Welcome to the Animal Rescue Station. I'm the Animal Keeper Kiki. Let's use a drone to find out which animals need our help. Drag the center position and locate the injured animals. A picture is taken once you locate them. An elephant with broken tusks is found. A monkey red and swollen all over is found. A dirty penguin is found. Choose a truck and pick up the injured animals. Hoi! Hoi! Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Drag the animal onto the truck. Take them back to the rescue center for treatments. Let the animals move into the new dormitories. The elephant's tusks are broken. Then use a laser to fix the cracks. Take good care of the tusks. The elephant likes to eat all kinds of fruits. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The elephant lives on the grassland. Goodbye, elephant. The monkey crawls around the tree and makes itself dirty and itchy. Take a look and find out where the fleas are on the monkey. Found them! Let's get them into the jar. Spray with anti-itch potion. Great! The monkey is jumping up and down again. The monkey loves to eat bananas. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The monkey lives in the jungle. Goodbye, monkey. There is an oil leakage on the sea. The penguin is covered in oil. Spray with detergent. Let's examine the interior of the penguin. There are so many bacteria in its stomach. Well done! The penguin loves the cold environment. Let's make some snow for it. Look, the penguin is so happy. The penguin likes to eat shrimp and fish. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The penguins live in Antarctica. Goodbye, penguin.